Okay guys, this is the last video on the build of the camper, and we have completed the camper, and I'm about to show you the completed project hooked up to the vehicle and ready to go camping. We're excited. We're going to head up to Lake DeGray up in Arkansas and do a little camping this weekend. Since you've seen me last, I have added a spare tire carrier. Didn't have room to keep it in back of the truck along with the bicycles. There's love bugs everywhere. I need to extend or flip over the trailer tongue because it's down a little bit, but that's okay for right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check gas mileage with my vehicle, as well as any other things that I need to correct, and we'll add that to the video. Alright, so we're about to go camping in the camper. Alright, we're cooking on the little Coleman, and we've got the camper set up, and there it is. We got a little 9x9 cover we just put over it. I don't know why, just for the heck of it. Thought that would be a good idea for the entry and exit should it start drizzling rain or something like that. Anyway, we pulled the camper here, and I was able to get 18 miles per gallon. I normally get 21, so it doesn't really take very much at all to pull the little camper. Got it set up. Let's see. Got the fridge working, TV working, AC works. So far so good. So there we are, set up on the count pad, and I've got the 30 amp hooked up, and my beautiful wife is over there cooking us breakfast. Say hey, give me a wave. Hey.